Have you ever wondered about the future of farming? Picture a world where the manual labor of tilling, planting, and harvesting is replaced by cutting-edge machinery, where traditional farming practices are revolutionized by autonomous equipment. Today we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into this future. We'll introduce you to 3 game-changing technologies that are set to redefine agriculture as we know it. First up, we have robotic tractors, the new workhorses of the farming industry. These aren't your average tractors. They're equipped with advanced sensors, GPS technology, and artificial intelligence. Next, we'll take to the skies with drones, the eyes in the field, providing invaluable data for precision agriculture. Lastly, we'll meet the AI-driven harvesters, the technological marvels that are enhancing efficiency and yield like never before. So buckle up. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking technologies behind robotic tractors, drones, and AI-driven harvesters, reshaping modern agriculture. Imagine a farm where tractors operate themselves. Yes, that's right, autonomous tractors are now a reality. Let's paint a picture. Picture a tractor equipped with advanced sensors, global positioning system technology, and artificial intelligence. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But it's not. This is the reality of modern farming. These robotic tractors can perform a variety of agricultural tasks, from plowing the fields to planting seeds and precision spraying, all without the need for a human driver. What's more, these machines are not just mindlessly following a set path. They're smart. They use artificial intelligence to learn and adapt, to make decisions based on the data they gather, and to carry out their tasks more efficiently and accurately than ever before. Consider the benefits. With robotic tractors, efficiency is increased dramatically. They can work around the clock, free from fatigue and human error. They can adapt to changing weather conditions, adjusting their operations to ensure optimal crop growth. And then there's the cost. Labor is one of the most significant expenses for any farm. By reducing the need for human labor, these autonomous machines can dramatically cut costs, making farming more profitable. Precision is another key benefit. These tractors can spray pesticides and fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy, reducing waste and minimizing the impact on the environment. They can also monitor crop health in real time, identifying any issues early on and taking steps to address them. And this isn't just a concept, it's happening right now. Farms around the world are already using these technologies, transforming their operations and reaping the benefits. From large-scale commercial farms to smaller family operations, autonomous tractors are making a significant impact. In conclusion, it's clear that the introduction of robotic tractors is revolutionizing the farming industry. With their increased efficiency, reduced labor costs, and precision crop management, these machines are truly redefining labor in the farming industry. And as technology continues to advance, who knows what the future of farming will look like? One thing's for sure, it's going to be exciting. Robotic tractors, with their increased efficiency and precision, are truly redefining labor in the farming industry. From the ground to the sky, the future of farming is taking flight with the use of drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are not just for stunning aerial photography or delivering packages. They are becoming the new frontier in precision agriculture, playing a crucial role in revolutionizing the way we farm. Drones are our new eyes in the sky, providing a bird's-eye view of the fields. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, they can capture high-resolution images and data across wide swaths of land in a short time. This allows for real-time monitoring of crop health, assessing field conditions, and identifying areas of concern. From spotting pest infestations to detecting water stress, drones are making it possible to identify and address issues before they become significant problems. But that's not all. Drones aren't just passive observers. They're becoming active participants in the farming process. Some drones are capable of precision spraying, delivering water, fertilizers, and pesticides exactly where they're needed and in the exact amounts required. This not only optimizes resource utilization, but also minimizes the environmental impact of farming practices. And the real game changer, the integration of artificial intelligence with drone technology. AI-enhanced drones can autonomously analyze the data they collect, providing actionable insights for farmers. They can identify patterns and trends, predict yields, and even make decisions about when and where to irrigate or apply treatments. This level of automation is transforming data-driven farming from a futuristic concept into a present-day reality. The potential benefits of drone technology in agriculture are enormous. From optimizing resource utilization and improving crop yields to minimizing environmental impact and reducing labor costs, drones are set to redefine the way we farm. They're taking precision agriculture to new heights, literally. With their eyes in the sky, drones are set to revolutionize precision agriculture in unprecedented ways. And as these technologies continue to evolve and mature, we can only expect them to play an even more significant role in the future of farming. And that's a future we can all look forward to. Harvesting crops can be a challenging task, but what if a machine could do it all? Imagine a world where advanced machinery takes on the heavy lifting, allowing farmers to focus on strategy and growth. This is not a far-off dream, but a reality with AI-driven harvesters. These intelligent machines are equipped with advanced sensors, machine learning algorithms, and robotic arms. They are designed to perform complex tasks with a level of precision and efficiency that surpasses human capabilities. From fruits to vegetables, grains, and beyond, these machines can tackle various crops with ease. What sets these harvesters apart is their capability to analyze crop characteristics in real time. By evaluating factors such as size, ripeness, and quality, these intelligent machines can determine the optimal time and method for harvesting each individual crop. This level of precision not only maximizes yield, but also minimizes waste. A crucial factor in sustainable farming, and it's not just about harvesting. These machines can also sort and package the produce, streamlining the entire harvesting process. This significantly reduces the time from field to market, ensuring that consumers get the freshest produce possible. Let's take a peek into the real-world application of these technologies. Companies like Harvest Crow Robotics and Abundant Robotics are leading the way in this arena. Harvest Crow Robotics has developed an autonomous strawberry harvester that can cover 8 acres in a single day. Meanwhile, Abundant Robotics has created an apple harvester that can pick a fruit every second. These are not just impressive stats, they represent a significant leap forward in farming efficiency and productivity. But it's not just large-scale farms that can benefit from these technologies. Small and medium-sized farms can also harness the power of AI-driven harvesters to boost their yield and efficiency. By democratizing access to these advanced technologies, we can revolutionize farming across the board. AI-driven harvesters are not just a concept. They are here, enhancing efficiency and yield in the farming industry. These intelligent machines are not just reshaping farming, they're redefining what's possible in agriculture. Let's continue to explore this exciting frontier together. As we've seen, the future of farming lies in autonomy. Robotic tractors, drones, and AI-driven harvesters are no longer figments of the imagination. They're here, and they're transforming agriculture as we know it. Let's revisit the highlights. Robotic tractors, kitted out with advanced sensors, GPS technology, and artificial intelligence, are redefining farm labor. These autonomous workhorses are capable of plowing, planting, and precision spraying, making them indispensable assets on the modern farm. The benefits? Increased efficiency, reduced labor costs, and precise crop management. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Drones, the eyes in the sky, are revolutionizing precision agriculture. Equipped to capture aerial images and collect data, drones monitor crop health, assess field conditions, and identify areas of concern. Combined with artificial intelligence, drones are becoming an integral part of automated crop analysis and decision-making. The result? Optimized resource utilization, minimized environmental impact, and improved farm productivity. And let's not forget AI-driven harvesters. These marvels of technology equipped with advanced sensors, machine learning algorithms, and robotic arms are enhancing efficiency and yield. Capable of autonomously harvesting a variety of crops, these AI-driven machines analyze crop characteristics, optimize harvesting techniques, and minimize waste. These autonomous farming tools aren't just about efficiency and cost savings. They're about sustainability. They're about feeding an ever-growing global population while minimizing the impact on our planet. They're about transforming the way we farm for the better. That's the power of autonomous farming equipment. It's a game changer. It's the future. And the future is here. So what's next? Well, as farming continues to embrace these groundbreaking technologies, we can expect more innovation, more efficiency, and more sustainability. We can expect a revolution in agriculture. Embrace the era of autonomous farming and unlock new possibilities for sustainable food production. This is the dawn of a new age in agriculture, an age where machines work in harmony with nature, optimizing resources and maximizing yield. Welcome to the future of farming. We hope this exploration into autonomous farming equipment has been enlightening. It's incredible to see how technology is revolutionizing the farming industry, isn't it? If you agree, give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us to keep sharing these insights with you. Are you already subscribed to our channel, Farming Knowhow? If not, now is a great time to hit that subscribe button. We're always uncovering the latest innovations in agriculture, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. Have you had any experiences with autonomous farming equipment, or do you have any thoughts on the subject? We're curious to hear your perspective. Please, share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your input adds value to our community and sparks meaningful conversations. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of cutting-edge agricultural technologies. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of farming.